Isang barangay. Bakit na full pack na ako eh?
Grabe na sila.
Grabe.
Yeah, they're both the same side. Yeah, I'm gonna introduce her and we're gonna say substitution timeout. First to go third quarter, the last offense is stopped out. And then the fourth quarter will be close out. Yeah, five personal fouls. 5-2 fouls. Yeah. Any operation, verbal, and physical, they know that they're gonna be called out.
Si Arnie, dalawa ba yun?
Sorry, Arthur and Elsie.
Sino po siya? So sana si Arnie. Si Ring ba? Ay, buko lang. Si Ring sila. Si Ring. Yung pa rin, yung pa rin. Oh, yun. Si Ring saan pa kayo na. Bakit ko siya rin siya kaya si Arnie?
Isang team niya sa score. Mag-score sila dito.
Ball.
Ball na bigay sa isang player.
Ikaw mo na ball.
Wala kang
Ay, hindi. Mag-picture na pala eh.
Hindi ako makakaupo dito po eh.
Sobrang naman. Wala, hindi natin mayroon sa Yarmouth naman yung committee. Kahit isang player lang, isang player.
Sige, kung ganda na dito.
Ano, kawawa ka mo score and chess. Tapos para walang anuhan. Kawawa ka mo scorean mo and chess para alam mo kung
Wala, ako na lang.
Alright, last 2 minutes warm up. Hello.
Ano ka na lang, mag-send ka lang ng isa. Pag ano lang.
Okay, ako lang ang isa sa committee so I need one volunteer in each team to do the score sheets.
Rex, so mag-volunteer dito? Sasagot?
Sino may pampaw ba?
Rex!
May pampaw, sino may pampaw pa sa inyo?
Attention natin. Kailangan volunteer sila dito, isang quarter lang. Isang quarter. Wala magko-committee eh. Ako tsaka ano. Sige sa isang quarter natin. Paikutin lang natin dito sa isang quarter. Committee. Wala na punta sa... Hirap ng first game ah. Mahirap pala pag first game.
Mahirap pag ang nag-first game ay tayong tatlo. Walang man. Ano ba to? Okay. Pero dapat mayroon.
Hindi ako na. Hindi ako na.
First quarter.
Ikaw sa score pre? Dito? Saan ako? Ano ako?
Score ang mga kalaban.
Hindi ko alam paano gamitin yan. Ito na lang ako.
Dito ka score sheet.
Score sheet.
Oo. I-score ang mga kalaban. Para walang dayan.
Dito ako sa kalaban.
Score sheet.
Hindi, dagdagan ko pa yan eh.
Bahala kayo magdayaan.
Sige, tumiting kayo!
First five.
First five, first five!
First five, please. Clear the court. Clear the court, please.
Six point, first five.
Okay, first five. First five, please.
Sige mo ni first five.
Welcome to our referee,
Tulpo,
Arthur and
Joson, Nesisito, Larona, Empleo.
Elsie.
Okay, mamaya tayo.
Guys, reminder, always respect referee's decision, okay? Referee's decision is always final.
Pumunta mo panlambing.
Alright, let's start.
Kasi ko dala sa laming ko.
Jumbo. Rebound by Dick. Foul. Traveling. Rex. Rex, here we go. Passing to RJ.
Kukunin mo ng score ha.
RJ. Tumira. Oh! Jumbo.
Block!
Black ball. Rebound, Dolpo for two. Tapos, rebound. Dave. Friends, to RJ. 10-second shot clock. Foul.
Who's foul?
Who's foul rep? Number 5. First personal foul, first team foul.
Basta pag nag-pwede refresh yun.
First, basket good for RJ. Second throw. Good. Five, pasok sa Dolpo, pasok sa Philip, turn around, Inira, pasok. Temple. Renz. Gano'n kung saan pinasa to RJ. RJ. Back to Renz. Renz. Inira. Pass. Good. So 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. Philip. Dave. Passing to Jesse. Foul. 20 foul.
25 bullet.
25, 2 personal foul. 2 team fouls. 2 shots for... No. Inbound. So, Rihanna. Jump shot. Malakas. Rebound by Philip. Sinalaksak. Wala. NHS ball. RJ for 3. Wala. Rebound by Philip. Fire. Chase. Okay. Philip. Wala sa cover 5. Pass to 28. Mira. Wala. Rebound. Dave, floater, wala. Rebound by number 35. Wow. Pass it to Philip. Philip. Camila, wala. Philip by Soriano. Soriano. Wala. Philip. Philip. Yeah. 8-second shot clock. JD for 3. Tapos. Rebound by RJ. Soriano. Soriano, layup. Pasok. Foul. Foul, number 7. Number 7, first personal foul, first team foul.
Isboy, ayusin mo yung sulat dyan, Isboy.
Ilang foul lang ba? NHS?
Isa pa lang. Dalawa sa Hayahay.
Relax kayo relax. Mahaba pa yan. Relax.
Time remaining 6 minutes and 28 seconds. First one, wala. Rebound. Nakuha niyo na pag-iba. Pasok to number 5 for 3. Wala. Rebound ni Philip. Traveling.
Sub.
Substitution rep.
Ben.
Substitution.
Galing Pilipinas to, malakas to.
14 in. Number 2 out.
Nabigyan ni Philip. Nagib. Nagib.
Renz, nagdadala ng bola. Regan RJ. Tumira. Wala. Di ba ni Renz? Tumira. Bueno malo. Wala. Kapos.
Nagkano.
Sensi daw. Wala. Soriano. Turn shot. Foul. Counted. Who's power? 25.
Sino? 25 to? Kailan ha?
Third personal foul, third foul.
Sub.
Substitution rep. Junjun out.
Tatlo na yan? Dalawa ko lang.
Banyasin.
Tatlo na.
Ito.
Dalawa pa, team foul yun.
Ilang foul na ba?
Tatlo, team foul. Shoot yung kanang Soriano.
Bonus shot for Soriano.
Dave, kaya mo dalawang papel? Ha? Kaya mo nung dalawang papel?
Ayan.
Dalawang papel?
One more. Too early.
Pare, ito yung NHS ah.
Score against Alright. Bonus shot. Basket good. Substitution rep. Substitution?
Time out sa kabila.
Timeout! Timeout! NHS. Score is 9-2 in favor of NHS.
Sabaw kayo Soriano.
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Team. Foul. Red and 40. Two shots. First row for Q. In favor of NHS. 3 minutes, 18 seconds left. First quarter. That's wala. Even goes. Basket. Oh, for 2. Foul, number 7. Third team foul for NHS. Luto, pass it to Kim. Kim. Double foul. Number 7 and number 8 foul? Number 19, double foul. Alright, double foul for substitution rep. Alright, both teams are in 4 team fouls. Ready? Five. Game. We're going to press in. Jumbo. Kaya high boy. Kaya high. Time remaining 1 minute 43 seconds. William, there. Loader, yeah. Seconds left. Tapos. Nasa pilit. Wala. 45 seconds left. Foul. Penalty. Foul number 20. Penalty.
Grabe naman. Sabi naman class yan.
26 seconds left. Penalty, penalty. Penalty. Penalty, penalty lang. Sorry. Penalty. No more time. Just free throw.
Wait, tigil ka now.
One more. Basket down. Santos. Score is 15-3.
First game kayo dito.
Do you have anything you like to use this pen? Yeah, how about one? You put that in your pen. So you hold that
Possession, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. It's just obviously we try to explain just a little bit what's going on. Technical then. Well, I just explain everything like the sheets. It's just not. Yeah. But we do the we do all that. Normally at least one time. So it's gonna be.
They're harmless outside.
They're normally lovely. So it's on basketball.
They can be more, competitive.
Yeah. So it'll be great to start.
Back to the ball game. Start of our second quarter. Score is 15-3. Red ball. Red ball, red ball. Red ball. I got it here. Wala, ano kay RJ? Goal. Goal, maganda ng bola. Niyasa kay Ben. Korean jump. Pasok lang. Ben, number 30. Ten-second shot clock. Steal. Lloyd, nagdadala ng bola. Ibigay Men. Nasa kay Rubio. Natanong si nasa kay RJ. 7-second shot clock. Shot clock violation. Pero nasa kay Rubio. Basket 2. Second shot clock. For 3, wala. Di ba yung foul? Kaya sa kay JD. JD for 3, wala. For 80. Pass it to RJ. RJ for 2. Good.
We stop tayo nga.
9 minutes, 42 seconds left. Foul.
Mani ano?
24. Substitution rep. $25 in, who's out? JD out. Red ball. Wala. Number 80. 80, passing number 2. 14-second shot clock. Pass it to Mel. Mira, wala. 7-second shot clock. Lloyd for 2. Sab. Dito pa na sa ano. Foul. Foul, 0. Legal screen. Substitution. Oh, timeout, right? Timeout. Yahay. Score is 21-5 in favor of NHS.
Hindi, nagkakan na yung
Back to the ball game.
Okay, pasok na.
Time mark. Red ball. RJ for 3. Tapos.